I bought a new wing for just the sum of £29.99 for the Volkswagen Fox, but it didn't go to plan. And that's because, well, the scrapyard writ it off with the forklift.
A Volkswagen Transporter is just a van to many. For a tradesperson, it's a tool to complete a job, but for us, the van offers an extension of our personality. It's a door to a whole host of freedom, road trips and holidays, shared with loved ones, making memories for a lifetime. Now, that's something money can't buy.
Need to get this thing detailed up and looking absolutely fresh so we can sell it for top dollar when it comes to selling this thing. So, roll the montage. car has had a full paint enhancement using a yellow revitalised step 2 pad and a 1-step compound from FNS. And I think it's actually brought the paint up absolutely spot on. Now, there's a reason I didn't go for a full paint correction because, well, the paintwork on this thing isn't actually the best. And I didn't want to make the paint so perfect that it actually made the imperfections that are in the paintwork stand out even more. The plastic trims have been dressed, the glass has been cleaned, the tyres have been dressed, all the little details have been done. But we are missing that wing, which, as the title of the video suggests, it was smashed up by a forklift. Hello buddy, how are you?
I'm good, how can we help you?
Just a query, mate. I bought a wing for a Volkswagen Fox off you guys and I haven't heard anything from you yet.
Yeah, I did message you yesterday when they got wind again off that big crash by a forklift in the yard, so I have refunded you, mate.
It's actually really annoying because I managed to find that wing for £30 and a friend of mine was going to paint it for me for just £100. But now we're going to have to try and source an alternative. But on the subject of finances, let's go and have a look and see where we're standing. Our running total for the Fox is £976.68. Now, we have had a few more expenses we need to add. I bought another instrument cluster for the Fox to try a little fix on it, but stay tuned for that one. Now that cost us a grand total of £40. £27.12. That is for the 2 ribbons we have bought and the T-bar to solder the new LCD screen to the cluster. Now you're thinking, why have you bought 2? Well, I have said I've got another thing lined up to last ditch attempt to try and fix the instrument cluster on the Fox. That's £27.12 plus £35. It's not all expenditure. I don't know if you can remember, but we took the radio out of the Fox and I managed to sell it on Facebook Marketplace for £35. So it's not all spending money. £1,008.08. So we've broken that £1,000 barrier. Now we still need to source a wing and we do need to sort out that issue with the clocks. Like I've said, I've got 2 things lined up on how to possibly get this thing fixed. But if we can find a wing for no more than £100, I think we'll be laughing. The eagle-eyed viewers would have spotted it, but this top piece of the rear quarter was absolutely horrendous. Have a look at this. You may remember the headlights needed a restoration on the Fox as well. Well, the camera broke and I did actually get around to doing it. And I think they look absolutely awesome as well. What do you reckon? I followed the same steps as what we did on the Lupo and they really have come back to life. We really could use your support. Now, if you know of anyone selling an LC9Z Volkswagen Fox driver's wing, let us know, drop us a message in the comments down below. Even if it isn't in that paint code, we can always get it painted if the price is right. But that is all we have got time for this week, so make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.